Hi everybody, my name's Dave Grotto. I'm welcoming you to our house because just like everybody else, we've stocked up on a lot of pantry items, a lot of things in the freezer, and so we thought we'd share some ideas of what you can do with maybe a lot of different things that you have at your house that you can make a really great dinner with. And I'd like to introduce you to my daughter, Madison.
Hi everyone, I'm Madison Grotto. I am studying dietetics as a junior at U of I, and Dad wrote me into this video because I am a vegetarian, so I do not consume animal proteins. I like to substitute protein in alternate forms like the Morningstar black bean burger.
All right, so what are we going to do? We're thinking we're got a little bit tired of burgers. You know, we've been doing a lot of burgers, so we've got this stuff left over in the freezer, and what are we going to do with it today?
So yeah, we were sick of burgers, so we today are going to be making vegetarian pizzas, and we thought it would be fun to cut up some avocados and maybe sprinkle some barbecue sauce on top and use the black bean burgers as like our alternate substitute for sausage. So, sounds good to me.
Yep. And you know, we didn't have pizza sauce, we just had regular marinara sauce, but we're just going to throw some Italian spice to that, and voila, you have pizza sauce. We're going to go ahead and cook these partway, chop them up, and then throw them on the pizza. So come along with us, and we'll throw these on the barbecue. All right, we're here at the grill, and we've got the Morningstar Farms black bean burgers ready to go. These are frozen, they come frozen at your grocer. So I put them right into our preheated grill. You know, generally if you're cooking these at home on a skillet, they're going to be about 7 to 8 minutes on both sides total cooking time. So just want to make sure you keep an eye on these because the flames can kick up a little bit. You don't want to have a burnt veggie burger. We'll come back in a few more minutes to check on it. See you then. All right, so we're back from the grill. We heated up those Morningstar Farms black bean burgers. We put on gloves, right? We want to be safe, right? And make sure you wash your hands, but whenever you're handling food, it's always a good idea to have gloves on too. So Madison, what's next?
All right, so I just cut up some avocado chunks, and now I'm going to be slicing these black bean burgers off the grill into strips.
Okay, sounds good. So while you're doing that, let's talk about what we have here. So we've got pita bread, you know, so we're going to make one pizza with a traditional pita bread. We've got a whole grain one, of course, we're dietitians. We always believe in when we can bring whole grain to the table, it's a good idea. And then we also have a whole grain pizza shell that we're also going to do here too. So when Madison's all done chopping that up, we'll start assembling our pizzas. And again, as Madison talked about before, we'll throw a little barbecue sauce on one for some fun. You can use whatever kind of cheese, even if you've got like regular cheese cubes or the slices, you could always chop those up and put them on your pizza. We were fortunate enough to have regular shredded cheese. All right, so terrific. Let's go ahead and start assembling one. Here I will give you the pizza, and then I will do the pita. And we've got a little bit of marinara sauce, and we need a spoon. So let me grab a spoon here really quick. All right. Fancy. Oh, look at you. You're already there.
I was just going right for it.
All right. You're going to spread your pizza sauce on there. I'm going to do the same thing here.
Gotta leave a little room for the crust.
Base. That's right. Some people like theirs extra juicy.
We got our pizza 2-blend cheese.
All right. We're going to go 2-bagging on this one.
2 bag.
You got yours? I think I'm going to have mine without avocado. You have yours with avocado. I like that.
I am a
sauce or the
huge fan of avocado. I use avocado instead of meat on a lot of my healthy recipe options. Just in case I don't have any meat proteins, avocado does
like
the
to
trick
throw
for
that
me.
on there for a little taste texture.
I do.
Fun. Look at this. Kind of like a Southwestern style.
And as a vegetarian, I have a hard time finding ways to add protein into my diet, so cheese and black bean burgers really do the trick.
Yeah. You know, I think the nice thing about the black bean burger is you've got about 9 grams of protein there in one of those burgers. And for every ounce of cheese, you got about 7 grams of protein. So that kind of busts a myth about vegetarians not having good sources of protein or adequate sources. But sometimes it's not always front of mind, right? You think about the center of your plate being that meat protein, and you're got to think about where am I going to get it from. So, but cheese, those burgers will do the trick. A little bit of seasoning. Want me to give you a little bit?
Sure. Toss it on there.
And Madison, what's missing from my pizza?
I think yours looks good if you're trying to go avocado free. Oh,
black
the
bean
black bean
Oh,
burger.
can you believe I forgot? Of all people,
I think
forgot
I'm
the
gonna
black
throw
bean
some
burger.
barbecue sauce right over top of mine
Sure,
too.
go for it. All right, and then we're gonna go outside and get these guys right on the pizza grill that we've got heating up as well. All right, there you go.
We're gonna get them crispy. That's how we like our pizza.
Fabulous. All right, so we'll be back in just a minute, show you how they look right off the grill. All right, we just got back from the grill. Madison already cut this one up on the pita bread. I'm gonna go ahead and slice this up on that traditional pizza crust.
They look nice and crispy. I'm excited.
Oh, I can hear the crust coming from it. All right, grab one.
All
I'll
right,
grab one.
let's try these bad boys out.
There you go, to your good health.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm. Really good.
Amazing. Bye-bye.